I am Debbie Herrington. I am a co-owner, founder of Herrington's Boutique. Hannah found Susie at a convention and, met with her and felt like that she was a great fit for our company because of a lot of different dynamics. I wished I would have done this a long time ago because the system and processes and all the things that is in the program that Dr. Susie offers, I feel like I'm getting my life back. We have a great business, but that comes a lot of operational issues, and if it's not where it needs to be, it will run you instead of you running it, So, and that's where we were, all of us. I was watching my daughters just, one even said, Mama, I can't do this like you and Aunt Cindy have done this all these years. I can't see myself doing this 30 more years. And I think a light bulb went off. And I just thought, and I don't want you doing that either. And guess what? They're not going to have to. The first thing they're going to think is, can I afford it? And they're going to say, I can't afford this. And my advice would be, you can afford it for yourself and for your humanity and your sanity and your financial situation. And it's an investment to your company and to yourself. And the value that all this is, what has gone on in 6 months is our operations back end it's not even finished and it's awesome. And my team members feel it too. And it's just going to get better and better. I can't wait to have another interview in 6 months on a full year. I do want to say this too, because in my mind I had, we're fixing to have these numbers coming in. It's going to be blowing up and all the things. Well, what's blowing up and off the charts is operations. And that has to come first before the money comes. And that is what one advice I would say. And don't expect the dollars to show up right away. You've got to fix your operations first, and then that will come. I wished I would have done this a long time ago because the system and processes and all the things that is in the program that Dr. Susie offers, I feel like I'm getting my life back.